wing held open.
Well, Ops 2, we do have another aircraft on the east side. It's going to be taxiing over to the Whiskey Pad now. Roger.
Lucia Rodriguez, Montero.
Just one owner, ma'am.
Yes, it's showing one owner. Lucia Rodriguez, Montero.
Copy, thank you.
Command from EMS branch.
Command.
I did get a request through our HCC. If MY has a phone line for families or inquiries to call, I need to pass that number along. You want to text it to me?
Stand by. I'm going to call your cell phone with airport ops in 1 second.
Yeah.
On Echo, trying to get to the Whiskey apron. We're holding short for these 2 planes to land first.
I'm on my way. I'm coming up on the approach end of 19. Where would you like me to put the light truck?
I was just instructing American not to move out of line back here. Copy all. Thank you.
Somewhere next to the other lights, pretty much just set up next to the others.
At the north boathouse or at the south end?
Next to the EMS where the others are.
Okay, then to 33. I got you.
Yeah, copy all on the frequency. Thank you.
Any operations, T2?